Molweni Bafundi, and welcome to video 2. And here we look now at place of residence, beginning with the question uhlala phi? Uhlala phi? Where do you stay? Uhlala phi? And a possible answer, ndihlala eDwesi. Ndihlala eDwesi. Dwesi, KwaDwesi is a residential area between Port Elizabeth and Uitenhage. A reciprocal question, wena, and what about you? Mna ndihlala eCentral. Mna ndihlala eCentral. As for me, mna, I live in Central. Ndiyayazi iCentral. I do know it. Ndiyayazi iCentral. I know Central. Kudala uhlala khona. Kudala uhlala khona. You, kudala, is for a long time. Uhlala, you have been staying. Khona, there. And as you can see from this note below, that khona means there, referring to a place previously mentioned, in this case Central. And this person has been living there for 3 years and states ewe iminyaka, years, emithathu, 3 in number. And then there are some other expressions referring to a place of residence. For example, ndihlala elokishini. Ndihlala elokishini. Elokishini in the townships, and obviously elokishini is derived from the word location. Various types of abode. Uhlala endlwini. Uhlala endlwini. Do you live in a house? Many mother tongue speakers of isiXhosa prefer to say endlini. Endlini, but the correct form, endlwini, although it does not really make too much difference at the end of the day. Ewe ndihlala endlwini. Ewe ndihlala endlwini. Yes, I do live in a house. Or ndihlala eflatini. Ndihlala eflatini. I live in a flat. Or ndihlala e-townhouse. Ndihlala e-townhouse, obviously a heavily borrowed term. There is a more sophisticated term for the townhouse, but at this stage we're not going to worry about that. We are merely going to stick to a townhouse. And then there are some of us who live in less fortunate circumstances and dwellings, and these are the descriptive terms there for these places. Hayi ndihlala eTyotyombeni. Hayi ndihlala eTyotyombeni. I live in a shack. eTyotyombeni. And then another alternative. Hayi ndihlala endaweni yamaBobosi. Endaweni yamaBobosi. Take note of the bo sound, the implosive sound, not bo, but bo. Endaweni yamaBobosi. In the next section, we request the time. And invariably you interrupt somebody, or you apologize for interrupting this person by saying uxolo. Uxolo. Uxolo literally meaning peace. Sorry, excuse me. And a common response is ayinamsebenzi. Ayinamsebenzi. No problem, it doesn't matter. The question, ngubani, by now familiar. Ngubani. Ngubani ixesha. Ngubani ixesha. What is the time? Ixesha ngu 6. The time is 6 o'clock. Ixesha ngu 6. And the ngu means it is. Enkosi, and then kulungile. We conclude this video with a short revision exercise. completing ayinamsebenzi. What is ayinamsebenzi? It does not matter. Endaweni yamabobosi. Endaweni yamabobosi is in an and iminyaka emithathu, which is in the 3. Have you been living kudala uhlala khona? Have you been living there long? Unjani, how are you? Molweni, manenekazi, hello or good day. Ladies, molo bhuti, hello. Young man, molweni nonke, hello. Everyone or all. Nceda, hlala phansi, nceda, hlala phansi, please. Ndihlala efletini. Well, you don't have to be too sharp to work this one out. I live in a flat. Ndihlala eTyotyombeni. I live in a shack. Ndiphilile enkosi. I am fine, thanks. Unjani wena? And how are you? Ndiyavuya ukukwazi. I am pleased to meet you, to know you. Ngubani ifani yakho? What is your surname? Ngubani igama lakho? What is your name? And the third Ngubani question, Ngubani ixesha? What is the time? Uxolo means then sorry, apologies. I can just point out here that this Ngubani literally means who is. And strangely enough, when you're asking the time, you are still literally asking who is the time. There is a grammatical explanation for that, but of course we're not going to go into that now. And then the final question, Kunjani, how is life in general? Fine, that then concludes this little video. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi. So bonana.